Hello everyone, this is Cameron and this is my second language technology app review. The app that I use is called Duolingo. There's a URL if you are interested. But just about it, Duolingo is a combination of basic language lessons followed by activities where you join in crowdsourced translation of real web pages from the target language into your native language. Although it incorporates translation, it does so in an authentic, functional way. Designed for mobile users, each lesson is short, available for English, French, Italian, German, and Portuguese, with other languages such as Chinese forthcoming. Let's go watch a video of how it works.
A great way to learn a language. It's addictive because languages are split into bite-sized skills that feel like games. You lose a life when you get something wrong, and you earn points when you complete a lesson. Duolingo teaches you to read, write, listen, and speak, and it's extremely effective. In fact, an independent study found that 34 hours on Duolingo are equal to a whole university semester. A semester of knowledge that you can fit into your breaks, commutes, and moments spent waiting in line. Duolingo is completely free. No annoying ads, no misleading in-app purchases, no subscription fees. Language, free at last.
Alright, so evaluation. So I've been using Duolingo for several months to learn Spanish, and I've learned more than 2 years of Spanish in school. This app is amazing and undoubtedly the best way to learn a second language. I recommend this app to anyone who wants to learn a second language. It is adaptive and flexible to everyone's learning style, and it allows the user to retain their knowledge so they can forever speak that second language. Integration, I would absolutely integrate this app into a classroom. I would have all second language classrooms using this app. If I was a teacher, I would use this as a secondary resource for my students to do as homework. Instead of other useless or busy work homework, assign certain sections or an amount of time for the student to do at home. This will be a great reinforcement for the student to be able to help them retain the information, and it will allow the student to be that much more efficient at a second language. Thank you so much.